Hey YouTube, wanted to get on here and do a quick DIY. I purchased this placemat at, I want to say, yeah, it was Big Lots for probably about $4. Yeah, Big Lots, $4. It's a Halloween placemat. It says, "I put a spell on you." I love the detailing of it. It has the soft ribbon belt with the glitter gold edging over here, the little legs, super cute, and the wording is actually stitched in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I'm going to be needing. You're gonna need a placemat, glue gun, and I have some cluster fibers. I probably don't have enough, so I have bags that I'll probably end up using. So the first thing you're going to do is turn your hot glue gun on, take off all the stickers, cut the tags, and then what I'm going to do is cut. Let's see if I have my blade. What I'm not sure if you can see me. So what I'm gonna do first is cut this cloth right here, or cut, because it's like literally layered. So I'm just going to slide this down. And it has, you know, like this opening now. So what all I'm going to do is just stuff the material in here. Hopefully I have enough. If not, like I said, I have bags. You don't need a lot, but... And this is just going to be... just a decoration pillow for Halloween. So you just stuff your pillow, your little placemat, and see. So it's not going to be enough. So what I'm going to do is just crumble these bags and stick them in here. Okay, so once you stuff it really well, you're going to just grab your glue stick or glue gun and put a strip of glue straight down where you would cut it, and then you're going to place the extra fabric on top of it just to hold it down. So you're just going to do this like so. And you can always go back and put more where you need it. I'm going to use a scissors because I've burned myself recently. And then you're just going to hold that down, let that and seriously, it's like a pillow. Cut all the edges, and you can always, what I do, I don't have And then you just turn it around and there's your little pillow, and you can fluff it up. It'll probably go in the playroom because we love decorating for Halloween. But yeah, there it is. And it's your little pillow. Super cute.